haven't been home very much to promote it. But this is something super crazy. I know, like, it's a little bit crazy. I woke up on Monday morning. And my 23-year-old son came into my room. And it was about 7:30 in the morning. And he told me, "Mom, did you go on Facebook?" I didn't go on Facebook. "Mom, maybe you should go on Facebook." You know, that's not the first thing I do when I get up in the morning. I mean, maybe it's like the second or third. "Mom, you need to go on Facebook." And when I open my page, I'm Grammy nominated. What the heck? I could not believe it. Yeah, please don't think that like I go around and tell everybody, but like I have not told nobody except for my mom and my dad. So like you're the first people I'm telling, like, what the heck? How does that even happen? Anyway, this song is from my album La 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 La. That's been Grammy nominated. What the heck? I just said it again. Okay. Alright. It's a song I wrote for my family. I'm a Lindsay, and Lindsay's come from Guayana, we're Paniolos, we're those cowboys. We love to sing by the campfire. That's where my roots are from. Okay. very collective.